Okay, so I got 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 2 whole eggs, 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Yes, buttermilk, guys. Okay, I have some honey, and the start of the show, my cast iron pan with 1 stick of butter, which I put in the oven so it could be hot and also melt my butter. So first, we are going to sift our mix. I like to sift mine. It's all preference. I like to make sure there is no lumps or anything, but it's all preference. You don't have to do this part. That's just me, okay? And while we are doing this, guys, if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, also the like button. And guys, that bell icon next to the subscribe button, hit that bell icon. It's going to let you know every time I upload a new video, so you could get what? That front seat. You already know that front seat, okay? So as you can see, we are done doing that. Here I am squeezing about 2 tablespoons of honey, and I went ahead and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds so it could become kind of liquid. All right, so now we are going to start mixing the simple ingredients, which is my 2 whole eggs, right? My 1.5 cups of buttermilk. And now my 2 tablespoons of honey. You could add more honey if you like. It all depends how sweet or you like your cornbread to be. For me, 2 tablespoons of honey was just right. It was perfect, okay? It was perfect. But again, like I tell everybody, make the recipe your own, okay? There is no right and wrong here. It's just preference, all right? So here, as you can see, all you need is a bowl and a whisk to do this recipe. This recipe is so simple, but then again, really good and very delicious. So here I'm adding the melted butter. I left about 1/2 tablespoon of butter in the pan. And now I'm going to whisk it and combine those few ingredients. And guys, like, make sure, like, if you're using the cast iron, keep it in the oven so it could be kind of hot when you put it in there. I'm telling you, it's gonna make such a big difference. Your cornbread is gonna come out delicious, okay? I'm telling you, this is a meal by itself, okay? Even though it's a side, it's a meal by itself. I ate it for breakfast for a couple of days. One day I added some grape jelly. I forgot the last time I ate some jelly, but ooh, it brought me back to childhood, baby. That's some good stuff, okay? So here, as you can see, I went ahead and make sure my butter was spread all through my pan. And now I'm adding my batter right in the center of my pan, and I'm going to spread it. And guys, if you don't have a cast iron pan, it's fine. You could do this recipe in a regular pan. That cast iron, though, it gives it that extra kick because it creates those crispy edges and bottom. Guys, I'm telling you, it is delicious. I would link below some link for cast iron. If you don't have one, check it out, or just go to Marshall, one of those places, and buy one. Just get yourself one, okay? Because it's a lot of recipes that I will be bringing your way that I will be using cast iron. So here I bake my cornbread at 350 degrees for 35 minutes, and this is how it came out. So it was only 35 minutes in my oven, all right? And as soon as it comes out the oven, I like to add a little bit more butter. I don't melt it. I just like to grab the stick of butter while it's hot, and I'm like painting on my cornbread, okay? As you can see, all right? I'm here painting, giving it the last little bit of love before it gives me some love back. And guys, this cornbread, look at how beautiful. And you see those edges, look at those edges, that crisp and the bottom. But the cornbread itself was so tender, guys. It was delicious. I will be showing you. I'm going to cut it in a few seconds. But give this recipe a try, guys. And I hope you add this recipe to your holiday menu and let me know how it goes. All right. And again, I appreciate each one of you. And I will see you on the next recipe. Have a blessed day.